Did you know that women decide within the first 7 seconds whether they're attracted to you or not? And here's the crazy part. Attraction isn't just about looks, it's about how you make her feel. Did you know that women decide within the first 7 seconds whether they're attracted to you or not? And here's the crazy part. Attraction isn't just about looks, it's about how you make her feel. Most men think chasing women is the way to win them over. But what if I told you that the real secret is making her chase you? Today I'm breaking down 5 psychological tricks that will flip the script and have women drawn to you effortlessly. If you've ever felt like women lose interest too fast, stop replying or put you in the friend zone. It's not because you're not good enough, it's because you're not triggering her attraction psychology the right way. Women love a challenge, and when you give away all your attention and effort too soon, she sees you as just another guy. But if you understand these 5 psychological tricks, you'll shift the dynamic completely. Let's dive in. Trick number 1, the power of scarcity. Trick number 1, the power of scarcity. Have you noticed that people always want what they can't have? That's because the human brain values scarcity. If you're too available, she won't feel the excitement of winning you over. Instead of texting her 24/7 or agreeing to every plan, create space. Let her wonder about you. When she sees that you have a life beyond her, she'll be drawn to you even more. Trick number 2, the push-pull effect. Women love emotional tension, a mix of uncertainty and excitement. This is why the push-pull technique works like magic. Here's how it works. Give her attention, then pull away slightly. Compliment her one moment, then playfully tease her the next. This creates a roller coaster of emotions that keeps her thinking about you. For example, if she looks amazing, say, "You look incredible tonight, but I think you already know that." A little playful challenge keeps her interested. Trick number 3, the mystery factor. The moment she figures out everything about you, her interest drops. Women are wired to be curious and intrigued. If you reveal too much too soon, you lose that intrigue. Instead, be unpredictable. Give her bits of your story, but leave her wanting more. Let her ask questions, and don't be afraid to be a little mysterious. Trick number 4, social proof and high value. Women are naturally attracted to high-value men, those who are respected, admired, and surrounded by others. If you're always alone, needy, or desperate for attention, it sends the wrong signal. Instead, focus on building your value. Be the guy that others want to be around. When she sees that other people respect you, her attraction will increase automatically. Trick number 5, the indifference game. This is the most powerful trick. Women test men constantly to see if they are truly confident. The moment you start seeking her validation, you lose. But if you stay indifferent to her tests, you win. For example, if she suddenly ignores you or plays hard to get, most men panic, but a confident man, he doesn't react. He continues living his life knowing that his value isn't dependent on her response. For example, if she suddenly ignores you or plays hard to get, most men panic, but a confident man, he doesn't react. He continues living his life knowing that his value isn't dependent on her response. This drives women crazy because they realize they can't control your emotions, and that makes them want you even more. So, let's recap. Scarcity makes her value you more. Push-pull keeps her emotionally hooked. Mystery keeps her intrigued. Social proof raises your status. And indifference makes you stand out from weak men. By mastering these 5 psychological tricks, you'll stop chasing and start being chased. Now tell me, have you ever noticed a woman using these tricks on you? Drop a comment below and share your experience. And if you want more powerful dating strategies, hit that subscribe button now. Your transformation starts today. Let's make it happen.